Most side hustles are a waste of time, especially if you're juggling work and kids and barely surviving on one income. But these, they're different. One of them has actually covered our entire mortgage for years. Hi, I'm Brittany from The Savvy Couple, and years ago I was exhausted, broke, and Googling how to make money online between diaper changes and reheating coffee. I wanted to contribute to my family without losing my mind. So today I'm sharing 5 remote side hustles built for busy people, and at the end I'm going to show you the one side hustle that helped us pay off our debt and finally breathe. All right, number 1 is freelancing. And before you say, Brittany, I don't have any skills, pause, time out. You absolutely do. Can you write emails without emojis and typos? Can you organize a Google Calendar? Can you type faster than your toddler can dump out the toy bin? Then congratulations, you have marketable skills. And freelancing lets you set your own hours, choose your own clients, and work in your pajamas while your kids are watching Bluey. And here's the beauty. There are so many different types of freelancing that fit so many different personalities. And let me break a few of them down for you, the ones that are especially perfect for busy moms. All right, the first one, proofreading. If you're the mom who spots typos in the restaurant menus or fixes your husband's text, then this one is for you. It's quiet, it's low stress, and it's that focused work. There's no Zoom calls, there's no phone conversations, just you and a document and your inner perfectionist. Bloggers, course creators, podcasters, all these people are always looking for proofreaders. You could pitch 10 creators on Instagram this week and land a client. Many proofreaders charge like $25 to $50 an hour, and even at 10 hours a week, that's $250 to $500 extra every single week. The second is bookkeeping, and don't let that word scare you. If you can balance your household budget or track expenses in a spreadsheet, then you can do this for sure. Bookkeeping isn't advanced math, it's organization, consistency, and attention to detail. Small business owners hate doing their own book, and they'll gladly pay someone trustworthy to track income and expenses, send invoices, and keep things tidy. Freelance bookkeepers charge about $300 to $500 per client per month, and just 3 clients, you're making around $900 to $1,500 a month working part-time. Graphic designer. You don't need to be an artist. Thanks to Canva and Adobe Express, design is drag and drop easy. If you've ever made a birthday invitation, an Instagram story, or a flyer for your kid's school, you already have the foundation. You can design logos, social media posts, printables, Pinterest pins, anything visual. Some moms are making $1,000 per month just selling digital downloads on Etsy. You create it once and it sells over and over again. Social media manager. You're already scrolling on Instagram, so why not get paid to do it? Businesses need people to schedule their posts, to respond to comments, write captions, and engage followers. And no, you don't need a huge following yourself. You just need to understand what makes a good post. And many social media managers charge $500 to $2,000 per month per client. So start with one local business, that coffee shop that you love or the boutique that you follow, and offer to help them with 3 to 5 posts per week. The list goes on. There are so many more. You can be a virtual assistant. You could do data entry, transcription. There are dozens of freelance roles that you can pick based on your strengths and your schedule. So how should you start? You should pick one subcategory that fits you. Create a simple profile on Upwork or Fiverr and look what others are charging. Make one sample portfolio. You can use that to pitch and send. And here's the magic. A freelance project that pays $300 to $500 can be done over a week during nap time sessions. And over a month, you're earning hundreds, maybe thousands on your own terms. And the flexibility is built in, and you're the boss of your schedule. And who doesn't want that? All right, number 2 is online tutoring. If you have a subject that you know, math, reading, a foreign language, test prep, you're naturally great at explaining things. Tutoring is a gold mine that you can do from home. There's platforms like VIP Kid and OutSchool that make it really easy to connect with students virtually. You set your own hours, you work from your laptop or tablet, and you teach other kids or adults depending on what your niche is. What makes this ideal for busy moms is that you can schedule these tutoring sessions around your family's rhythm. So while it's nap time or early in the morning before everyone wakes up or after bedtime, you're leveraging your existing strengths, and you are already probably helping your kids with their homework anyways. So tutoring is definitely something that can come easily and work for your family. Let's say that you are a former teacher or just enjoy helping others learn. You don't need a fancy degree. Some platforms just require a bachelor's degree. Some others want proof that you can teach effectively effectively. And you can create your own tutoring packages and offer them locally through Facebook groups. Homeschooling Facebook groups would be an awesome one where you could join and get things out there. Maybe while your kids are at school, you could help homeschoolers and have a little tutoring thing for them at home. All right, so let's talk money. Even if you start with just 1 or 2 sessions a week, you'll be bringing in that extra income. So many tutors make about $20 to $40 per hour and do about 5 hours a week at $30. That's about $600 a month, and you can scale it to more hours when you're ready. You could even specialize, and maybe you only help high schoolers prep for the SAT, or you're amazing at helping young kids improve their reading fluency. Niching down like that can let you charge more and attract students faster. So if you've ever thought I could help someone with that, this is one to strongly consider, especially if you want a predictable, flexible, and feel-good way to earn money at home. Okay, quick pause. If you're finding this helpful so far, I want you to hit that like button and subscribe. We drop videos like this every single week to help families just like yours build financial freedom without sacrificing time with your kids. All right, number 3 is affiliate marketing. And I love this one because you don't need to create your own product. You don't have to ship anything or handle any customer service. You simply recommend products or services that you already use and love, and you earn a commission when someone buys through your link. So let's say you found a meal planner app that has changed your life, or maybe it's a homeschooling tool that works wonders, or a budgeting course that finally made sense. You tell other moms about it and share your link, and then you get paid when they buy. And why it works great for busy parents is that affiliate marketing is incredibly flexible. You can work on it before work, you can do it during nap times, and after the kids go to bed. And because it's built around sharing real life experiences, you don't need to sound like a salesperson. The magic happens when you become that trusted friend that people turn to. You don't need a huge audience, it's just real authentic recommendations. Think small, sharing a quick video on Instagram, writing up a blog post about your favorite mom tools, or pinning a list of your go-to resources. All right, this sounds good. So how do you get started? Pick one product or service that you use and that you genuinely love. Join programs like Amazon Associates or Impact is a great first step. Then create just one piece of content, an Instagram post, a TikTok, a blog, a Pinterest pin, or even a Facebook recommendation, and then include your link. The key is definitely don't sound salesy. Frame it like, I was drowning in meal planning. This app saved me 2 hours a week. Be honest, be helpful, and that's what builds trust, and that's what gets the clicks. And here's the beautiful part. Affiliate marketing becomes passive over time. That's what we all want, right? You create the content once and it keeps earning while you're doing the laundry, while you're playing with your kids, while you're at the grocery store, and even while you're sleeping. It's not instant, but if you stick with it, it definitely snowballs over time. Still, one of my favorite parts of our online business is earning those affiliate commissions, even when we're spending time as a family. It's one of our favorite income streams because it's low pressure, it's relationship based, and it's totally doable even in the margins of your day. Number 4, digital products, my favorite way to earn while you sleep. And let me tell you, this one changed everything for us. Digital products are the ultimate set it and forget it income stream. It's like planting an apple tree in your backyard and waking up with fresh fruit every day. What exactly is a digital product? Think printable planners, budgeting sheets, meal plans, kids' activity books, chore charts, checklists, templates, maybe even a mini course. Anything you've created that solves a problem in your own life can be packaged and sold. And here's the crazy part. You don't have to be an expert. You just have to be one step ahead of somebody else. Maybe you made a chore chart that actually works for your 5-year-old. Maybe you built a meal plan that saves you $100 a month on groceries. Maybe you created a daily routine that keeps your household from falling into chaos. That's value. You can design it in Canva, upload it to Etsy, to Gumroad, or even your own blog, and it's live. I have an entire video on how to make money using Canva to sell digital products right here. Number 5, start a local AI marketing agency. No degree or experience needed. Let's get something straight though. You don't need to be a marketing expert to help local businesses grow. In fact, most local business owners don't need fancy strategies. They need help with the basics that they're too busy to do themselves. That's where you come in. With tools like ChatGPT and High Level, you can offer simple but powerful marketing services to the small businesses right in your own community and earn a solid income doing it. Think about that coffee shop down the road that's buried in DMs, the hair salon that hasn't updated their website in 3 years, the landscaper who keeps missing all these phone calls. They don't need another guru. They need someone to help them look legit online and stay in touch with their customers. And that someone could be you. Okay, so why does this work for busy parents? You don't need a degree, experience, or tech skills. You learn as you go. Most tools are definitely beginner friendly. You help real people with real businesses. Who doesn't want to do that? You can work part-time hours around your own schedule, and you can charge real money because you're solving real problems. This isn't about building funnels and running ads on day one. It's about learning a few simple tools and offering high-value services to local businesses that are in actual need. Okay, so what services can you offer? All powered by free low-cost AI tools. You can do Google Business Profile Organization. Most small businesses have outdated listings, and you can fix that for about $300 to $500. Another one is missed call text back setup. With using High Level, you can set up in automation. So when someone calls and no one answers, they get a text instantly. Sorry, we missed your call. How can we help? That's a game changer. Very simple AI-powered websites using High Level's templates plus ChatGPT to build a clean, modern, family-friendly site in a matter of hours. You can do monthly email and text campaigns, remind the customers about deals or events, appointments automatically. Social media content creation using ChatGPT and Canva to schedule a few weekly posts keeps their page active without even lifting a finger. That was a big list, and you don't need to do all of these. Just start with one and build over time. Okay, but how do I actually get started from zero, step by step? Here we go. Step 1, pick one clear service. An example, I optimize Google business profiles so local businesses show up on Google and get more calls. Or I help local businesses get more 5-star reviews and land more jobs. Step 2, learn the tool. Grab our free AI agency course that walks you step by step on how to land your first client, as well as different scripts and templates and systems that will help you succeed. Step 3, make an offer to 3 to 5 local businesses. Call them up and say, hey, I'm starting a local marketing service using AI tools. I noticed your Google listing could use a few updates. Can I optimize it for free to build my portfolio? Step 4, deliver. Then offer to keep helping them for a monthly fee. Once they see the results, pitch a $500 one-time project or $300 a month to manage and maintain their online presence. Real talk, let's do the math. Just 3 local clients at $500 each is $1,500. Just helping real people in need of real marketing help. And the best part, these clients, they actually stick. They're going to come back for updates for new services and even refer you to other business owners. And here's a bonus for you. When you help local businesses look better, get more clients, that word, it spreads fast. And you don't need fancy sales pages. You just need results, relationships, and referrals. And once you're confident, you can stack your services, you can raise your prices, or teach other parents how to do what you just did. All right, please comment below with a local business that you would love to help. Maybe it's your favorite bakery or your kid's dance studio. You're probably just one email away from your first paying client. Again, comment free course below and I'll make sure to send it over to you, our step-by-step course to get you started today. All right, that was a lot of information. But let's review real quick the 5 side hustles remotely that you can start this year. Freelancing, and that was just including things like proofreading, bookkeeping, graphic design, social media management, a lot of that kind of stuff. The next one, online tutoring, you're teaching what you already know. Next one, affiliate marketing, share what you love. Digital products, my personal favorite, create once, sell forever. And then the last one that we went over was the marketing agency, packaging your skills and scaling it. And here's the very truth is that you don't need permission to start. You don't need more time. You just need to pick one of these side hustles and take that first step. Open Fiverr, make a Canva account, binge watch a bunch of our videos on our channel, whatever it is, I just want you to start. And if you want step-by-step help building a side hustle that actually works with your busy life, come on and join us inside Freedom Builders Community. It's a private community where we help families master their money, increase their income, and create a life that they love. So link for that is in the description. Because you were made for more than survival mode, and let's build freedom together. Now go watch this next video and I promise that you're going to get a ton of value from it. We'll see you there. Thanks for watching.